Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch Fit Special Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. Once you open the application, you should see the Health page. Now tap on the devices icon, and here you should see your Huawei Watch Fit on the list of devices. Tap on it to select it. Once you see this page, find the More Options icon in the top right corner. Tap on it, then tap on Unpair Device, and then tap on Unpair to confirm. Watch will disappear from the list of devices. Now we can close the app. You can also open the settings on your watch, or rather on your phone. And here find the Bluetooth or connected devices option, and check if you have the Huawei Watch Fit right here on the list of previously connected devices. It shouldn't be there, but if it is, you can tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on forget and forget device to remove it. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.